is Kathy, and welcome back to Kathy's Happy Home. I have another recipe for you today. And I was going through my mom's old cookbook and saw this recipe she had for chicken with tomatoes and mushrooms. And instead of doing it her way, I decided to use the crock pot here. So let me show you how I'm going to make her recipe. And the first thing I'm going to do, I have 2 chicken thighs here, and I'm going to put them in the bottom of the crock pot. Two just fits nicely in there. Let me throw this away and I'll be right back. I have 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and they're, let me see if I can find it, 14.5 ounces. And I'm going to put them on top of the chicken. I think maybe I could have gotten away with 1, but it's in there now. And now I'm going to slice up some mushrooms to put in. And here's the mushrooms. And now, the recipe calls for green peppers, but since I can't eat green peppers, I'm going to put in some broccoli. And there you go. Now, next step is to add some soy sauce. It doesn't say how much, but I'm just going to sprinkle it in, and some Italian seasoning. I stirred it all up, and now I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to check it after 2.5 hours and see how it's doing. I have to tell you, dinner last night was delicious. I think next time I'll use more than 1 thigh a piece, though, because I could have really used more. But it turned out so good, and I hope you'll try it. Talk to you later. Bye.